Today we are going to learn about preparing for AI-driven job market changes. We'll explore strategies to adapt and thrive in an AI-influenced job market, focusing on future-proofing career skills.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the job market at an unprecedented pace. As industries evolve to integrate AI technologies, it's essential for job seekers and professionals to understand the implications AI has on employment. In today's video, we'll explore the profound impact AI is having across various sectors, identify skills that are becoming obsolete due to automation, and discover emerging job roles that are gaining prominence in an AI-dominated market. We will also discuss strategies for upskilling and reskilling, leveraging AI for personal career growth, and the importance of networking and community engagement in AI fields. Finally, we'll share valuable online resources for AI education and training to ensure you are well prepared for long-term career planning in an AI era.
AI is revolutionizing industries by automating tasks, optimizing operations, and creating new business models. In healthcare, AI is enhancing diagnostic accuracy and streamlining patient care through advanced data analysis and predictive analytics. Financial services are leveraging AI for risk assessment, fraud detection, and personalized customer service. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots and IoT devices are improving efficiency and reducing costs. However, these advancements come with challenges, including job displacement as routine tasks become automated. Understanding how AI is reshaping industries will help you identify opportunities and anticipate shifts in your career landscape. As AI automates repetitive and routine tasks, certain skills are at risk of becoming obsolete. Jobs that involve data entry, basic analysis, and routine problem solving are particularly vulnerable. However, skills that require creativity, complex problem solving, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal communication remain relatively AI resistant. These skills are difficult for machines to replicate and are increasingly valuable in an AI-driven job market. By focusing on developing these future-proof skills, you can enhance your career resilience and adaptability. The AI revolution is not only displacing jobs but also creating new ones. Roles such as AI specialists, machine learning engineers, and data scientists are in high demand as organizations seek to harness the power of AI. Additionally, positions focused on AI ethics, governance, and regulatory compliance are emerging to address the ethical and societal implications of AI deployment. These new job opportunities require a combination of technical expertise and an understanding of AI's broader impact. By exploring these emerging roles, you can position yourself for success in the evolving job market.
Staying competitive in an AI-driven job market requires a commitment to continuous learning and skill development. Upskilling involves acquiring new technical skills, such as programming languages and data analysis, while reskilling focuses on transitioning to new roles within the same industry. AI literacy, understanding how AI works and its potential applications, is becoming a foundational skill across all sectors. Many organizations and educational institutions offer reskilling programs to help professionals adapt to changing job requirements. By embracing lifelong learning and adaptability, you can ensure your career remains resilient in the face of AI advancements. AI is not just a challenge to overcome but a powerful tool to leverage for personal career growth. By integrating AI technologies into your work processes, you can enhance productivity, streamline decision-making, and focus on higher-value tasks. AI can assist in personal branding by analyzing data to identify trends and opportunities, helping you make informed career decisions. Embracing AI-driven tools and platforms can position you as an innovative and forward-thinking professional, enhancing your career prospects and advancement opportunities. Networking and community engagement are vital components of career success in AI fields. Building a network of AI professionals allows you to share knowledge, collaborate on projects, and stay informed about industry trends. Engaging with AI communities, both online and offline, provides opportunities for collaborative learning and professional development. Attending industry events, conferences, and workshops can help you expand your network and gain insights from leading experts. By actively participating in AI communities, you can enhance your career resilience and stay connected to emerging opportunities.
The internet offers a wealth of resources for AI education and training, making it accessible to anyone interested in developing AI-related skills. E-learning platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udacity provide comprehensive AI courses and certifications led by industry experts. Many of these courses are free or available at a low cost, enabling you to learn at your own pace. By taking advantage of these online resources, you can acquire the technical and analytical skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven job market, ensuring your professional growth and adaptability. Long-term career planning in an AI era involves strategic thinking and a proactive approach to embracing AI-driven opportunities. Understanding future AI trends and their potential impact on your industry is crucial for making informed career decisions. Cultivating adaptability and a willingness to embrace change will enhance your ability to navigate the evolving job market. Lifelong learning, maintaining a growth mindset, and staying informed about AI advancements will help you remain resilient and agile in your career journey. By planning strategically and embracing AI driven opportunities, you can ensure long term career success and fulfillment. As we conclude, it's clear that AI holds vast potential to transform the job market. By proactively adapting to these changes, you can ensure career resilience and seize new opportunities. Leveraging AI as a tool for growth, engaging with AI communities, and dedicating yourself to continuous learning are key strategies for thriving in an AI-driven world. Embrace the AI revolution, and you'll be well prepared to navigate and succeed in the future job market.